Hello, welcome to an unboxing video from Three Rivers Watch Company. This is a watch I got from the Watch Gang wheel during last week's live stream. Make sure you're subscribed so that you get notified when we go live every Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern. Once I get the watch in, I do a quick unboxing and first impressions, then I wear it for about a week and do a full review, so stay tuned for that on Wednesday. As you can see, this one came insured, so let's see what we got. Let's get that box out of the way. We have an outer box here. So let's get that out of the way too. And it's an Aragon. Leatherette box, blue with red stitching. Says wing engineered on the side. So let's get the box open. First thing is we have a warranty card. We'll leave that unregistered in case this is the watch that gets given away. While we're peeling off the stickers, I want to note that what sets this watch apart from a lot of other dive watches is the tritium tubes on the dial and hands and the loomed bezel. We have a generic stamped clasp, although it is signed. A screw down crown. We have a nice action on the winding. Quick set date. We're at about 6:35, so we're able to change that date without messing up the movement. We'll set it to the second since it is the third. And when we start changing the time, we should see that date pop over right at midnight, and it did. We'll just set it to noon for now. Push that back in, see how it screws back in. It looks pretty smooth. Nice bezel action. And had it to line back up with the 12 there. It's a pretty thick watch. I think it comes in at about 15 millimeters, but we'll get all the measurements when we do the full review. I think we're all waiting for the loom shot, so let's turn out the lights and see what this thing looks like in the dark. Alright, lights are off. The cell phone camera isn't picking this up like I see it in person. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end up throwing on a photo, I think, for the rest of this so that you can see kind of what it looks like in person. Not perfect, but it is what it is. Okay, so here's the photo. Hopefully this does it a bit more justice. This has 4 different colors of tritium, and the bezel is fully loomed in blue. I'm assuming that's Super Luminova. We have red tubes at 3 and 9. We have yellow tubes at 6 and 12, and the 12 has 2 tubes to orient the dial, and the rest of the hour markers are blue. Then we have green tritium on the hour and minute hands, different lengths to differentiate them, and we have a tiny red tube on the sweeping second hand. I'm going to wear this for about a week, then I'll do a full review. Make sure you subscribe to get notified of the review video coming out next week on Wednesday. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.